আপনারা দেখছেন স্পোকেন ইংলিশ এভরিডে।
Let's get started.
তুমি দিন দিন রোগা হয়ে যাচ্ছ।
You are getting thinner day by day. You are getting thinner day by day. You are getting thinner day by day.
ঠিক এইগুলোই সেই লোক।
These are exactly the people. These are exactly the people. These are exactly the people.
ঠিক ওইগুলোই সেই তারারা।
Those are the very starts. Those are the very starts. Those are the very starts.
যদিও আমি তার নাম প্রকাশ করতে চাই না।
I wouldn't like to reveal his name though. I wouldn't like to reveal his name though. I wouldn't like to reveal his name though.
আপনি আর কোন কোন দেশে গেছেন?
What other countries have you been to? What other countries have you been to? What other countries have you been to?
এটা করা ভালো জিনিস নয়।
It's a not nice thing to do. It's a not nice thing to do. It's a not nice thing to do.
ও খুব ভালো সাঁতার কাটতে পারে।
She is able to swim very well. She is able to swim very well. She is able to swim very well.
আমি কি অ্যানার সঙ্গে কথা বলতে পারি?
Could I talk to Anna? Could I talk to Anna? Could I talk to Anna?
প্রেম বিচ্ছেদের পর সে খুব ভেঙে পড়েছিল।
He was heartbroken after his breakup. He was heartbroken after his breakup. He was heartbroken after his breakup.
আমি আগে এটা সব সময় করতাম।
I used to do that earlier. I used to do that earlier. I used to do that earlier.
এখন আমি এটা করি না।
Now, I don't. Now, I don't.
তুমি দীর্ঘজীবী হও।
May you live long. May you live long. May you live long.
আমেরিকা বানান কি? বন্ধুরা, আমরা যখন কারো কাছে আমেরিকা বা অন্য যে কোনো কিছুর বানান জিজ্ঞাসা করব, তখন আমরা এইভাবে বলবো।
How do you spell America? How do you spell America? How do you spell America?
দয়া করে আমাকে বিরক্ত করো না।
Don't irritate me, please. Don't irritate me, please. Don't irritate me, please.
এখানে এসে এটা দেখো।
Come here and see this. Come here and see this. Come here and see this.
আমাদের ইউটিউব পরিবারের একজন সদস্য হয়ে যান।
Become a member of our YouTube family. Become a member of our YouTube family. Become a member of our YouTube family.
এছাড়া আপনি আর কোথায় কোথায় ছিলেন?
Where else have you been? Where else have you been? Where else have you been?
আমি প্রতিদিন সকাল 6টায় ঘুম থেকে উঠি।
I get up at 6 a.m. in the morning every day. I get up at 6 a.m. in the morning every day. I get up at 6 a.m. in the morning every day.
নাস্তা সেরে আমি পার্কে যাই।
Having taken breakfast, I go to the park. Having taken breakfast, I go to the park. Having taken breakfast, I go to the park.
এই ব্যাগটি কার ছিল?
Whose bag was this? Whose bag was this? Whose bag was this?
আমি 1 মাস ধরে জ্বরে ভুগছি।
I am suffering from fever for a month. I am suffering from fever for a month. I am suffering from fever for a month.
কাকে জিজ্ঞাসা করব?
Whom do I ask? Whom do I ask? Or who to ask?
তোমার দোষ স্বীকার করে নেওয়া উচিত।
You should confess your fault. You should confess your fault. You should confess your fault.
সে জ্ঞান হারিয়েছে।
He has become unconscious. He has become unconscious. He has become unconscious.
তোমার পরীক্ষা কাছে চলে আসছে।
Your examination is drawing near. Your examination is drawing near. Your examination is drawing near.
তাকে কি ধর্মীয় অনুষ্ঠানটির ব্যাপারে বলা হয়েছিল?
Has he been told about the religious ceremony? Has he been told about the religious ceremony? Has he been told about the religious ceremony?
সে কি জানে আমরা কোথায় আছি?
Does he know where we are? Does he know where we are? Does he know where we are?
আমার খুব পেট ব্যথা করছে।
My stomach hurts so much. My stomach hurt so much. My stomach hurts so much.
অনেকদিন পর তোমার সঙ্গে দেখা হলো।
I met you after a long time. I met you after a long time. I met you after a long time.
অনেকদিন হয়ে গেছে তোমার সঙ্গে কথা হয়নি।
It's been a long time since I talked to you. It's been a long time since I talked to you. It's been a long time since I talked to you.
গত ক্লাসে কতটুকু শিখলেন তা এখন যাচাই করুন।
Test yourself what you learned in previous class.
আমাকে ডাক্তারের কাছে নিয়ে চলো।
Take me to the doctor. Take me to the doctor. Take me to the doctor.
আমাদের দেরি হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
We are getting late. We are getting late. We are getting late.
তুমি এটা কোথা থেকে পেলে?
Where did you get it from? Where did you get it from? Where did you get it from? Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.